Good day everyone, and welcome back to the X Explorer for another video. In today's video we are finally going to pick 3 winners for the 5000 subscribers giveaway, which I promised a long time ago. Again, here we have the nice pack of PCB boards which you will be able to win. Again, I'm going to pick 3 winners. It's going to keep you busy this winter, especially when outside is cold and snowing like here right now. Unless you live in the Bahamas or the Caribbean, where I wish I was right now with my sailboat, but I'm not. I'm here freezing in my camper. That's the reason I have this outfit at this point. It's a little bit chilly, so yeah, I'm going to jump in bed quick, so we're going to pick the winners really fast. Unfortunately, I promised that I'm going to do this giveaway on the 21st of November, this Thursday. But I spent a week up in the mountains with my friend German at the Choclovina Scout Center and a couple of other people that came over to join us. Wonderful time over there, but on Thursday I was still packing over there, and we made our way down so I can get to the train station. And after a long ride with the train, I arrived home last night somewhere around midnight. It was pretty late, so I was not feeling like filming videos at midnight because I was falling asleep in my shoes. So thanks so much PCBWay for offering this PCB board to the subscribers. Big thank you for sponsoring this giveaway. Big thank you to my friend German for the wonderful time in Choclovina. Well, let's jump and actually pick the winners over here. I really wished I did this giveaway like in a live video, but with my internet connection I don't even bother because it will turn out to be a mess. So I think you already know me by so far. I'm pretty fair play. I'm not into like cheat stuff, you know, trying to pick winners from some of my friends or stuff like that. I like to be honest, and I guess you can trust me. So we're going to find one of those websites that have one of those spinning wheels, and we'll pick the 3 winners. Again, as I promised in the last video that I posted, one of the winners will be from the people that commented on the video with the most views on this channel. And so far I believe that's the first video that I posted on this channel. I think it was around 3 years ago, about the first version of the Sputnik region receiver that I built back then. Then the second winner is going to be one of the people that commented on the video with the Charles Kitchen region receiver when I announced the 5000 subscribers giveaway the first time. And of course the third winner I'm going to pick from the people that commented in the last video that I posted before this one, and I explained why I was not able to pick winners from all the subscribers to the channel as I initially intended to. But anyway, without wasting time, let's jump on the computer and pick the 3 winners, and after that we're going to talk about how you can receive your prizes. Alright, so let's pick the winner really quick over here. So I opened the 3 videos that I was talking about. We're going to make sure we have the right links over here. And I have found this page. I could not find the spinning wheel thing that I wish I could find, but this one will do. And we'll talk later on about the contact form on the blog. So the first video that I'm going to pick a winner from, basically people that commented on this video, it's going to be this simple region receiver for the 40 meters amateur radio band. And this is basically the first version of the Sputnik region receiver, and the first video that I posted on YouTube, I believe 3 years ago. Yep, 3 years ago, and it has 59,000 views. So this is the video with the most views on the channel so far. So I'm going to click share here. I'm going to copy the link, close this one. We're going to this page. I'm going to paste the link here and fetch. I'm going to put include replies, but if it's myself winning, definitely we're going to pick another winner because obviously I have enough PCB boards. So we have 61 comments. Sorry, I'm going to pick a winner really quick, and we have this Harry Pluso Verdadero R4K7 better attached pin 2 of the coil. Excuse my English. Q will be better. Thank you for the tips from all the subscribers, that they always give me tips and I end up improving everything that I'm building here. This is the reason why I actually opened the channel. So congrats, my friend. this is the first winner. I have the screenshot. I'm going to look for the comment, reply to this comment to let him know that he won. I'm going to close this video. We're going to the second one when I announced the giveaway the first time. I'm going to click share, copy the link over here. We're going here to refresh the page. We're going to paste the link over here again, click fetch, continue. If it's the same people winning again, of course, definitely we're going to pick a different winner, because we're trying to pick 3 winners. We have for Yan, fantastic project chip. Oh, this is Ian. Oh, this is so cool. Ian sent me a transceiver, I think 2 years ago, I believe, from QRP guys. Is a kit, digital, you know, FTA, this kind of stuff, and I still haven't finished it. I have to finish that one. So yeah, I'm actually happy for Ian that he won this one. Congrats, Ian. And we're going to close this one. I'm going to copy the link from the third video, which is the one from last week or 2 weeks ago. I can't remember when I posted this one. Copy the link. We're going to refresh the page, paste the link, fetch, continue, and we're going to pick the winner from the 50 comments on that video. Oh, I'm not going to be able to read this username, but you know who you are. Is this board for ham radio users only? Oh yeah, I remember the comment. I replied this one when I was still up in Choclovina. Yeah, congratulations to all 3 of you. I'm going to go through the videos, find these comments, and reply to your comments to let you know that you actually won a prize. And please go on the blog page, on the DX Explorer blog, and here on the contact form, please fill up your first name, last name, email address. On the subject, put just giveaway or 5k giveaway, and then in the message you can put your shipping details, basically your address and where you want me to actually send the package. Unfortunately, I will not be able to cover the customs taxes, in case they will actually ask you for taxes, for customs taxes, but you will have to do that yourself. If you if by any chance people will not answer to the comments and reply to this, and I'll try to find their email address and send them an email. If nobody's writing to me, or one of them is not writing to me, on the 30th of November or December 1st, we're going to pick a different winner from those that did not answer, but hopefully that will not be the case, because I'm trying to actually send these PCB boards to the people so they can enjoy them. And yeah, let me know with your address, and I'll try to ship them as soon as possible. In case you do not want them because you don't feel like building stuff, or you're not into this, you can either send me the address to any of your friends that you think they are into this and you would like me to send them instead, or you can pick one of the subscribers from the channel that you think they deserve this and maybe they might like to have these prizes. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm very glad that I finally picked the winners, and thanks again PCBWay for sponsoring this giveaway. Thank you all for watching the videos and for subscribing to the channel and for sticking around. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to build the CW key that I 3D printed and I got shipped from PCBWay, and I'm really excited to finish it because I want to learn the Morse code. So yeah, I'm kind of excited and tired as well. I can't wait to jump in bed. So again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, 73, have an amazing weekend from Yankee Oscar 6 Delta X-Ray Echo.